My dear friends and all viewers, brothers, sisters, elders, youngers, good morning, namaskar, adab, etc. Please subscribe my channel. For this, press subscribe button and bell button so that important information can reach to you without any delay. Today we will discuss about the central nerve system and how to meet God, how to meet Supermaster, how to have awakening, how to connect our consciousness with the super consciousness. Super consciousness is everywhere. Our consciousness is spreaded, not at one point, concentrated at one point. If we concentrate at one point, then our consciousness through central nerve system and our brain and many other body parts, brain parts, work in coordination and we can have experience of superconsciousness through this CNS system. Central nerve system is one of very important nerve network in human body, in our body, in everybody's body, ladies, gents, kid, anyone. If there is human body, this central nerve system is available, an entire network of this system works in our body. It comprises of brain and spinal cord. Meeting point is somewhere here, our neck. Both the brain and this spinal cord having interconnection with each other so that all the communication from brain to entire network is possible. All the muscles, all the joints and movement of joint are under the control of our brain, our brain centers, but it is inside brain. But this signal can be transmitted to entire body, individual part or anywhere in by CNS, central nerve system. Central nerve system is most important to carry forward the message of brain to anywhere in the body. Neurohemodynamic balance can be achieved or can be established by the system. This system carry forward message from brain to anywhere in the body. So we have to understand how this system works when we practice spiritual, we are in spiritual practice at that either yoga or any kind of spiritual practice. If we are performing, if we are doing, then this system is very important and we have to understand about this system, how it works and how to make it more efficient, more effective for enlightenment, for awakening, for Kundalini awakening or any kind of spiritual practice. We should know about this system. Now, this is also important how after listening Gurbani or chanting mantra are chanting any kind of mantra, Allahu Akbar, Hari, 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 like this. These are the mantras, universal mantra for all communities. Different mantras are there, but all are consist of words. We practice, different people practice in different ways. But common thing is that I am human body. Muslims are also having body like me, and all people have similar kind of body. Biologically they are similar. So whatever phenomena occurred in me, same phenomena will occur in others. But ways may be different to chant the mantra. Different messenger of God came on this planet and they have given different words for chanting, but basically, biologically, central nervous system works equally. Any kind of mantra may be there. So today we will discuss how this chanting affects our system, and we are finite, but God is infinite. So how to get connection with finite and infinite? This is important. Our Guru Nanak Dev Ji has given us one mantra. Its pronunciation is like this: Ek Omkar Sat Nam. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji visited, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji's consciousness merged with super consciousness of God, thereafter whatever he told us, how to get connected our consciousness with super consciousness, what mantra he used to meet God, this is the mantra, Ek Omkar Sat Nam. When he reached to the highest sphere where God actually exists, his consciousness exists. God is not any physical thing. God is non-physical, non-visible, but consciousness is there in the God. God is superconscious thing. We also have consciousness. So consciousness can meet consciousness. Similar thing is possible to merge. Water can merge with water. Water cannot merge in the oil, or oil cannot merge. Oil and water are dissimilar. Similar things can merge in one another. Quantity may be small, quantity may be large. God has super consciousness. We have small consciousness, but quality of consciousness is similar, same. Qualities are same. So how our this nerve system work and help us, this is important, we have to understand. Many research in this level, nowadays scientific research are going on the spirituality and what change occur when we chant mantra. If we chant mantra in procedure, in correct way, then our dopamine will develop in mid of the brain. That dopamine is very important. What it creates, what Guru Nanak said about this, mat vich ratan jawahar manak je gur ki ek sikh suni. Brain has lot of precious stones, Like that, precious stones are its neuron, its many other parts inside the brain. They all are precious. It has capacity, all these neurons has capacity to meet infinite. Finite can meet infinite through our biological these cells. All the cells are capable for merging. All the cells are capable so that we can meet God. They are able to guide us how can we meet God. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji done it and brought formula for us how to meet God. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's mantra is Ek Onkar Sat Nam. If we will chant this mantra, what will be happen? At present we are finite, but Om, sound of Om is important. We have to understand about the frequency of Om. Om is infinite word. Om, sound of Om cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. It is right from the beginning, before creation of all the universe. That word was still there. And Guru Nanak stated that Shabad, that vibration, that Om is my master and my consciousness. Surt. What actually he said, I will tell you. Shabad Guru, Surt Dhun Chela. Surt is inside Guru Nanak's Surt, Guru Nanak consciousness, Guru Nanak's awareness, Guru Nanak's Chetana. It is inside Guru Nanak. But master is Shabad, vibration. Master is vibration. He stated Shabad Guru Surt Dhun Chela. मेरी जो है, whatever is my master, he is Shabad, and my soul, my consciousness is myself. But once he chanted Ek Onkar, what Ek Onkar mantra has done? This mantra has amplified Guru Nanak's vibration with a very high capacity, finite to infinite. It is work just like transformer. We know about the electrical transformer. From lower current to lower voltage, it converts to higher voltage. Similarly, this mantra, same is done by this mantra, and he did it practically. Met God, then came back to this sphere and elaborated Ek Onkar Sat Nam. This mantra amplifies the vibration of our mind. But remember, we have to keep feeling of love inside our mind. If feeling is not love, feeling is some other thing negative, it will amplify in the same way and we will reach to downward. Remember this thing. Once we are chanting this mantra, at that time we have to keep in mind to have feeling of love, affection, love with God, affection with God. This we have to keep in our heart, and we have to chant this mantra through our mind. Then automatically meeting is possible. Our consciousness will meet with the super consciousness. I told you, similar thing can be merged in one another. It is very common knowledge for all. Now, secondly, how to increase, how to chant this mantra, I will again explain. In many videos I explained this thing, but again in this video it is important to explain you and show you how to chant. First of all, we have to close our both the eyes and keep feeling of love to God in our heart and chant this mantra in a sweet way. Automatically, quantity of dopamine will increase. And how you will recognize that chanting of mantra is in your favor? How you will recognize? This is important. As per my experience, as soon as I chant this mantra for 15 minutes or more than 15 minutes, I vanished from inside. Number one. After completion of chanting of mantra, my body experienced calmness. This calmness is important. If we got, after performing spiritual activity, our calmness has been increased, it means that chanting of mantra has given us fruit, and day by day it will increase by practicing, and we will reach to super calmness. Super calmness means state of samadhi. State of samadhi, super calmness, state of samadhi is same. Om Shant. Many messenger of God stated Om Shant. Shanti means peace. Om will come when mind is peaceful. Guru Nanak stated Ek Omkar Sat Nam. Ek means whenever in our heart only one love feeling is there, Om will automatically take its shape and you can have realization of the same. Now I will chant for 1 minute. You see, close both the eyes, keeping in mind that heart is full of love, and chanting, you are watching chanting. When we close the eyes, witnessing power should be involved to watch our activity. Inside us, one witnessing power is there. That should not sleep. It should be awakened. We should have awareness. We should have alertness when we chant the mantra. We should not chant it mechanically, only by tongue or vocal system is functioning. It is not like that. With a consciousness involved, what is going on in body and mind. Ek Omkar. And we have to keep Gyan Mudra in both the hands, and hand should be like this. Like this. This I have formed Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra everybody knows. Now, and near the heart, I have formed this mudra. Now chanting, closing the eye, keeping the alertness in the mind as I stated, concentrating on mantra and watching entire activity by our watching power. Ek ओंकार सतनाम एक 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 ओंकार सतनाम एक. Now you can do in this way also. This is Namaskar Mudra. In Namaskar Mudra also you can chant the same in a same way, closing the eyes, alertness and chanting and watching. Ek Onkar Satnam, 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 Ek Onkar Satnam. Now, my dear friends, we have to remember, once calmness increases in our mind, calmness increases as dopamine increases in our body, mind and brain. Calmness will increase. It indicates that mantra is functioning correctly, rightly and effectively. Many things are there, but you have to experience yourself. Your experience with this mantra, you will have what is happening with you. But basically in everybody, what actually happens, as soon as dopamine, the quantity of dopamine gradually increases and calmness increases and body come in peace. Peace also increases in our body and mind. And quantity of dopamine accumulated in midbrain will go spreading everywhere in the human body. And this dopamine is capable to get connection with super master, super consciousness. Our consciousness will merge with super consciousness because of generation of dopamine. Dopamine generated in our midbrain spreaded all over our body by central nerve system, and many chemicals changes will occur in our mind, our body and mind, and our capacity to meet infinite or absorb infinite will gradually increase. It will not happen in 1 hour or 2 hours. Daily practicing will increase our capability so that God can enter, infinite can enter in our body, mind and spirit. whenever merging will take place, many changes, many blockages, many diseases will go out of your body. Many blockages will go out of. You will change. You will not be remain same. Nanak was not same. When he entered in this process, Nanak was became Guru Nanak. Ordinary was now master, because he entered with the super consciousness, master consciousness, master mind. By any word we can indicate our master. Master is master, word may be any. Maybe super conscious, maybe mastermind, maybe any word we can use. But master is master, he is super. Ordinary is ordinary, finite is finite. When finite reached to the sphere of infinite and saw how, what is infinite, then he can talk about infinite. And whatever formula this type of person give us, that is stare for us. Otherwise, moving here and there and going here and there is not useful. Loss of life is there. And we lost many lives. But Guru Nanak gave us right stair, right path, right technique, right word, right mantra. Simply we have to chant and listen Gurbani. What Gurbani is doing in our central nerve system? It creates calmness. Whenever we listen Kirtan, or we listen Gurbani, or we chant any line of Gurbani, if we consciously doing this thing, we will be grabbed by the words given by Guru Nanak, who visited that sphere. He said, how Gurbani has come, Dhurki Bani ai jin sagli chint mitai. He got this Bani from origin. Gurbani is Gurbani, came from the Guru Master, Super Master. At that time, before meeting Super Master, Guru Nanak was ordinary, finite. He was not infinite. But when he reached there, visited the place, thereafter he saw what is what. And then he is also now equal to Master after understanding what is God, how it works, what is the functioning. Thereafter, when he knows all about Satguru, thereafter he wrote about the Bani and written that I brought this thing from Supermaster. He himself always write, I am his servant, he is my master. He has not anywhere written that he is Guru or he is master. He himself stated in Gurbani in several hymns, I am servant, he is master. But whatever information he brought for us, that is important. Whatever he wrote, we call it as Gurbani. It does not mean this is our Guru. Gurbani came from the Supermaster. Supermaster uploaded in the mind of Guru Nanak when he was ordinary. At that time his name was Nanak. When he visited that place and he know about everything, thereafter he became Guru Nanak. And he brought all the information, all the news, everything about the God and transmitted it to Guru Angad. In his life, there are so many enlightened people in the world, but none disciple were enlightened during his time. But Guru Angad became from Angad to Guru Angad. He also used this formula, this practice, and became Angad to Guru Angad. He has taken this formula from Guru Nanak. Angad was also ordinary. Thereafter Guru Amar Das Earlier he was also ordinary. He has taken formula from Guru Angad. Same formula. Shabad Guru, Surt Dhun Chela. We have to develop our consciousness. And this can be happened through central nerve system. Other body parts will also help us. Everything in this body will helpful. But system we have to understand. This system. From Amar Das to Ram Das, up to 10 Guru, all 10 Gurus. But this Bani written in our Guru Granth Sahib, it is also capable. This Bani is capable to make you equal to the Guru. He can take you where he has taken to Guru Nanak. This Bani always says us, I have made Guru Nanak. He was earlier Nanak, but Bani has made him Guru Nanak. This Bani is capable to take you up to the top sphere where Guru Nanak visited. It is capable. Our Guru told this thing. Partak Guru. It is equal as Guru Nanak. Bani is equal as Guru Nanak. When Guru Nanak was live, it is also live. But we are not accepting. We are thinking it is simply written on the paper. It is not like that. If we read properly, if we listen properly, all the matra and everything, if we chant properly, speak properly, see properly, understand properly, it will take you. This centralized nerve system is capable to take you with the help of this Gurbani. Central nerve system of Guru Nanak was correct because he chanted the mantra before and after. But initially, when he was chanting, he was like raw. But when God met him, he saw the God and everything, he became Guru, Master. Sat Purukh jin janeya, Satgur tiska now. Person who has seen Sat Purukh, Satpurukh jin janeya, Satgur tiska now. Tiske sang sikh udre Nanak hargun gao. Person who has saw the master, super master, he can become master. Because he knows about everything of Almighty God or about super consciousness, master, everything. This Bani is capable, as he has given enlightenment to Guru Nanak. If you will use same